Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make yourself feel at home. I'm Matilda and I am chronically on TikTok. I have neglected my imaginary kids to scroll on TikTok. Do I regret that? Absolutely not. So I see a lot of things when I'm scrolling, and one of the things I encounter a lot is fashion hacks. A fashion hack for this, a fashion hack for this. And I usually look at it and I'm like, that girly is so smart. But I don't have the time. I'm not going to leave what I'm doing, which is scrolling, and go test the hack. Until today, it's my lucky day. It's your lucky day. Today, we put these hacks to the test. So I'm going to be testing 10 fashion hacks, and we're going to be rating them on a system of pass or CAC. CAC, what is CAC? Are you wondering that? I was. So I received this comment and I did a fall and winter fashion hacks video. And this comment said, my first hack was CAC. I did not know what CAC was. So I consulted the good old Beyonce's internet. And I found out that CAC is South African slang for crap, nonsense, bad, just not good. Okay. So that is a rating system today. So thank you, kind commenter, for that. So today's hacks are going to be pass or CAC. With that being said, let's get into the first hack. So this is how to cinch in your button up using a safety pin. I am going to just gather the fabric at the back. You guys are my mirror, okay? Let me know. Am I doing it correctly? Let me know. I think I'm going to cinch in that much. No, I want it tighter. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. I am going to tighten this. Like, I want it to be Coke bottle over here. No, I want it to be super cinched in. Because why not? So this is the amount of fabric I'm taking in at the back. I'm going to now pin this in place. So this is actually a lot harder than it looks because I don't want to pin my hands together. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's adjust that a little bit. I feel like if I had someone with me, I could I could let them pin it because I can see what they're doing better than me. I was kind of like, I'm so scared. I don't want to pin my fingers and my thumbs. So I feel this is a pass. This is a pass from me because anything that highlights the waist, I'm here for. Okay. So I think this is actually really cute. It adds a little bit more definition to a really oversized blazer. The back is quite obvious. It's quite obvious that I've cinched it in using a safety pin. But you know what they say? The back is none of my business. What's happening at the back side is not my business. I care about the front. So I like it. This is a pass from me. I will be implementing this in my shirts. If you see me looking like a little Coke bottle on these streets, you know what's up. You know where that came from. Anyway, let's move on to the next hack. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. So next hack is how to put your bag into safety mode.
Safest way to not get your bag stolen on holiday. You know how you carry a bag like that? Instead, do this. No one's gonna steal that. Like, they can't. They can't just take that and run away with you. It's like stuck to you. Everyone might do this, but I haven't seen anyone do it. So there you go.
I'm going to let go of one strap. Make sure the other one is in. And then I'm going to sling this over my body. So my pinned shirt is making it hard to lift my arms. But I'm going to put this over my body like this. So if the strap is around my waist. And then take my little strap from the other side. Oh God. Okay. Push that down and wear that as my strap. Okay. 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 Okay, I'm trying to, you know, can't get it. It's me on the streets of Italy. The pickpocketers are cut. Secure mode, safety mode. So, that was me reenacting being robbed. Anyway, this, oh, she cute. I actually kind of like the gold detail here, like the little belts, the little added belts. You see her. So I think this is cute. It's very obvious what's happening. Like, someone will know that that bag is not going anywhere, so they're not going to attempt to take it anyway. So maybe there is that added layer of security. Someone will be like, that bag is not coming off. It is literally attached to my body. So unless they pull me and make me fall in love with them, this bag is not leaving. This bag is not leaving the shoulder. This bag is so secure, so the hack does work. The only limitations is you need to have a bag with adjustable straps. Most of my bags are not adjustable. This is the only one. So then all my other bags can be stolen, which makes me really sad. I just feel this hack works, especially if you know you're walking through the valley of the shadow and death and you're going somewhere where they can just kind of grab the bag. This would give you an extra layer of security. So for that reason, I am going to say pass. I am going to say pass for this one because it works. The hack works. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. So the next hack involves jeans, and I love these jeans. They're from Abercrombie and they fit so good. As a girly with bigger hips and a smaller waist, they are really beautiful and stunning, but the waist does get loose over time. So this next hack is how to resize the waist of your jeans using ribbons. Okay, so first problem I'm encountering is I don't think I have as many belt loops as she does, because she does like that side and that side. Maybe I just do it at the front. I think that's what I have to do. So I'm going to thread this here. So I'll tie a little cute ribbon bow. It's going to be very obvious, but I think it just makes it cutesy. She does it at the back, but I have no idea how she does it. So I'm just doing my best, Jessica, okay? I know it's not much, but it is my best. I did like put on another pair of jeans because I thought, okay, the belt loops, need to be a lot more, but all my jeans have the same number of belt loops. I don't know if she has special jeans, but you know what? We've added the bows. I think right off the bat, that's really cute. That's really cute. It adds a lot more detail to my jeans that I like. That being said, I don't know. The bows are cute, but bows are always cute. Tell me if you've seen a bow that you didn't think was cute, right? But I just feel if it was more to the side, like her one, I think it would be so cute. But at the front for me, it's not giving the vibes. It's not giving the vibes. It does adjust the waist. It does. The waist feels a lot tighter, but I just don't think it's cute. I think this is cat for me, mostly because I don't know how did you get so many belt loops on your jeans? Please. That is a burning question I have, because if I had one more belt loop here and here, it would be over for y'all. It would be so over for y'all because this would be so cute. But right now, I think it's just not giving what I wanted to give. It's cat for me. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if there's something I'm doing wrong, because I don't understand. But let's move on to the next hack. So the next hack is how to turn a men's shirt into a mini bubble skirt.
Needing a pair of briefs for this look. You cannot do this look without a pair of briefs. Now that we have our briefs and our favorite button up, I'm going to take it, wrap it around my waist, button it all the way down, and then I'm going to take the extremities and I'm going to tuck them into the brief. And that's what's going to create the bubble effect. Now, you're going to play around with different lengths. You're going to grab some safety pins, figure out what works for you. I understand I have a smaller frame, so if it doesn't go exactly like this for you, I highly encourage you to play around. Fashion is fun, styling is fun, and for me, it's my playtime. So figure out what works for you, make mistakes, and get creative. Now, if you're inspired by this look, please, please, please give it a try and tag me, and we'll see you next time. Mwah.
Okay, which button is this? This is the first one. It's not going to work. Second one, maybe. So we're going to button number 2. So this is what the shirt looks like, and I'm just going to tuck it all in. So I'm going to go into my shorts, I'm going to tuck that in. There's a middle bit that just has nowhere to go because of the separation, but it's okay. Going to do the back. Oh, child. Okay. Oh my goodness. The things TikTok makes us do. And you're wondering where the arms go. They go in as well. So we're going to tuck that in. So my first thoughts, genuinely, honestly, my unfiltered reaction is kind of looks like I'm wearing a diaper. I don't know. I don't know. It's not giving bubble for me. It's giving a little bit diaperish. I'm sorry. I see the vision. I really do. I just, what do you guys think? Also this middle bit has nowhere to go. I feel like, okay, maybe let me untuck it a little bit because I go crazy. Okay. Let's give it a little bit more room to breathe. Let's make sure. I feel like if you're walking, this would and I feel like you would have to keep adjusting this bit. And that's what the back looks like. It's already coming a bit undone, as you can see. To me, it feels like I'm wearing a diaper. I don't know why. It's just making me feel like I'm wearing a diaper. And I feel like you have to keep adjusting this so that it stays put. The concept is cute, but I don't know if I would wear this as a skirt. It's not giving me that vibe. It's giving me a bit of diaper vibes and I'm not really feeling it. So this for me is cack. All right, let's move on to the last hack. We're going to finish strong with another life hack for button-ups. So this is a hack. So this is what the ribbon at the back looks like. And this is the front of the shirt. I do feel like if you tighten it too much, you start to get a little bit of bunching up of fabric. So as much as I would like this to I'm just going to let her be. And yeah, I really like this hack. I'm always for a hack that helps cinch in the waist. So for me, this is a pass. I think it just adds a little bit of some to an outfit and I really love it. So definite pass for me. And yeah, who doesn't love a little bit of shape to their outfit? I feel like I would use a ribbon that kind of matches my shirt or a nicer ribbon, to be honest. But this is what I had lying around the house and we're going to use it. So this hack gets a definite pass from me. And let me know what you think. So there you go, guys. TikTok hacks tested. I had so much fun filming this. I'm definitely going to add some of these hacks to my arsenal because some of them are really good. Some I'm just like, let's not discuss what happened here. But some, I am here for them. So let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know which one you'll be trying. Let me know which one you're kind of like, that is absolute hack. I don't want anything to do with that hack. I would love to hear your thoughts. But for now, your girl is starving, so I need to go get me some food. But I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed your company, and let's do this again sometime soon. I would love to do this again, okay? So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, all those nice things, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I would highly appreciate that, and it just helps keep the channel going. So become a wizard, join the family, all those good things. Anyway, it's time to go have some food, and it's time for you to go test some hacks, okay? So have fun, and see you in the next video. Bye.